Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your EA account to your Twitch account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Electronic Arts website. Now once you are inside the homepage, click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on sign in and you will be taken into the login portal. Just use your email address and your password and you will be logged into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon once again and you will find account settings. Click on account settings to get into the account settings page. Now from this page, scroll all the way down until you find connections. Click on connections and now you will see the various different options and third-party applications that you can connect your EA account with. Scroll down and search for Twitch, and once you find it, click on the link button. This will then open up the Twitch login portal, from which you might first be asked to verify your identity. Click on the verify button and check your inbox and you will find your security code sent from EA. Enter this security code in the given box and click on the sign in button, and now this will ask you to authorize your Twitch account. If you haven't already logged into your Twitch account, you will first be asked to log in using your credentials. After logging in, simply click on the authorize button and then click on link accounts. And now your account on Twitch has successfully been linked with your EA account. If you wish to unlink this account, you can simply click on the unlink button at the right side. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your EA account and your Twitch account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.